Hi guys, this is Master Coach Tony Morgan and today's video is on the Alpha C23. So we've been called out to this boiler to see what the problem is, and I'm going to show you by turning the boiler on, and I'm going to basically give you a little challenge to see if you can find out what the problem is as well. This is the isolation switch which is on. I'm going to turn it for heating the hot water. You hear the fan coming on. It's just ignited. Burn lights on. Now let's just observe. You can hear that noise. You can see the pressure going up. So it's getting quite hot. I'm going to turn it off. So you hear that for yourself. So basically, that's a challenge. What do you think the problem is? So if you know what the problem is, just drop me a line, and then hopefully we'll see who's got it right. So that's going to be the end of this video, and you'll see the answer on a following video about what the problem is. Bye for now.